here's to being here in Wisconsin. Come along as we make our way across this great state with family and friends, where moments become legend and stories souvenirs. There's nothing like fall in Wisconsin. And for the Berry family, there's nothing like a fun-filled fall weekend in Wisconsin's famous Peninsula Getaway, Door County.
We've been taking family trips to Door County since before we became a family. Ellison Bay is one of our favorite towns, so much so we named our daughter Ellison.
I love going to Door County. It's probably my favorite place in the world. We always go to Peninsula State Park and Eagle Tower. The view is awesome.
Oh, that's Horseshoe right there, you guys.
I'm so glad they made it accessible for everyone.
Did you ever think you'd be able to go on a tower in your wheelchair?
No.
We love that there's so much available for Ellison to do. She really enjoyed the boat tour.
The boat tour was a blast. Seeing lighthouses from the bay was so fun.
Thank you. Enjoy the show.
Thank you. We're excited. Bye.
I didn't know drive-in theaters were still a thing. It was so fun experiencing that with the kids.
We're usually around the campfire at night, but watching a movie at a drive-in, that was pretty cool too.
One of our favorite stops is the Door County Brewing Company. We try to make sure we get there on a Saturday afternoon for the live music.
And then his friend came along and was like, yeah.
You guys like it?
Yeah. So cool. I like everything so much. Hello.
Nice. Welcome to the Door Hotel. Door County is a special place. A lot of attractions make an extra effort so visitors of all abilities can enjoy its beauty, like the Ridges Sanctuary.
Yeah, they have a nice boardwalk that takes you right out to the sanctuary.
We never get tired of coming up here. The kids love it. We love it. It's just perfection.
Explore more stories from around the state at travelwisconsin.com.
I think I found the lighthouse. Here. It's right there. It's right there. Oh,